So if you know how to find the LCM, then we can try to solve the addition and subtraction fraction questions. Okay, I will say this one is addition subtraction of fractions, algebraic fractions. Okay, this one you have to make the denominator the same. Okay, let's do a mathematics question in lower primary school. Okay, for this one you need to change it to same denominator. Okay, and then you can minus the numerator, and then you simplify it. If you no, I do something wrong. This one is 3. Easy to make mistakes. Okay, or if I do a slower way, I don't want to make you feel someone may not understand. Okay, multiply 2 because the LCM of 3 and 2 is 6, so I have to make denominator is 6. If I multiply the denominator 6, the numerator you need to also multiply it by 2, because if no, then the value of this fraction will change. 2 and 2 can cancel out, it is a 1. And 1 over 2, you have to make it to be 6, so you multiply 3 in numerator and denominator, and then 10 over 6 minus 3 over 6, and then you will get this result here. This one is the same fraction. Okay, you do the LCM of 2 is 6, so we have to make target denominator is 6, so change to 6, multiply 2 times, multiply 3, and then you can minus it. 10y minus 3y is 7y, and cannot further factorize, cannot further simplify, and that's it. And for the second question, right, they have same denominator, so you don't need to find the LCM. Okay, just minus. Many of you will write this, but that's not correct. You minus the whole numerator, so you have to bracket it out. Minus the whole numerator. You should use a red pen, okay, for important things. So it will be 3 minus a plus 2 over 5, and then it will be 5 minus a and 5. So can you cancel the 5? No, because they have 2 terms. Cannot factorize this one. It cannot cancel out with the denominator. It's not factor. 5 in numerator is not factor, but 5 minus a is a factor. Okay, number 3. Okay, the denominator is 8 and 12. Okay, you can find the LCM. You have to find the LCM first. LCM of 8 and 12 is this is the first step. 8 and 12 is 8 is 2 to the power 3. 12 is 2 times 3, 2 squared times 3. So it will be 2 to the power 3 times 3. So it will be 8 times 3 is 24. 24. You need to multiply 8. You need to multiply by 3. All the numerator you need to multiply by 3. And this one, 12 to 24, you need to multiply by 2 times. So you can then combine this. 3a plus 3 minus 2a minus 24. And then 24, you simplify the numerator before you think of any factorization or cancellation. A minus 24 cannot be factorized. 24, okay, cannot cancel with 21 because this is the whole factor. Okay, this one is not a fraction, so you need to change it to a fraction first, 3 over 3. Okay, and then it will be the same denominator as the left, and then it will be y plus 4 minus 3 and then over 3, and it will be y plus 1 over 3. That's it. Number 5, 2x, okay, minus 3 plus 2x over 5. Okay, this is just a numerator. It's actually something like this. You cannot do anything without, you have to find the LCM. LCM is obvious of 1 and 5 is obvious 5. So you just need to multiply 5 in numerator and denominator of this term, okay? And then the same denominator you can use it, okay? Minus 3, okay? Minus 2x, important, minus 2x, and then it will be 8x minus 3 over 5. 8x cannot minus 3, cannot be 5x, okay? Unlike terms, these two. Number 6, okay, this is not a fraction, you have to change it to 1 over x first, and then denominator, the LCM will be 3 over 3x, and minus, minus x minus 1. Okay, if you don't like, easy make mistake, okay, I suggest you first step bracket order numerator. Okay, so it will be the minus 1, and it will be 2x minus 1 over 3. Number 6, okay, is this. Number 7, 1 over AB minus 4 over A. Okay, this one takes more seriously. LCM of AB is A times B, of A is A. Okay, so the LCM will be A times B. So you need to change these to denominator AB. So you need to multiply B in the denominator, so that you have to multiply B also in the numerator to balance it. So it will be AB over AB. So it will be 1 minus 4B over AB, and then cannot cancel, okay? Don't cancel out this. Okay, first step, LCM. Second step, combine denominator and then numerator. And the first step, you see you cannot, whether you cannot factorize it further.